Hello my dear students, welcome back to my class. In the previous video, we have discussed the functionalities of unformatted input and output functions. In today's video, we will discuss some example programs on unformatted input and output functions. So here I have given the list of all the functions. It is getchar, putchar, getch, getche, getch and putters. So we will see some example programs on all these functions. So let us have a fast glance on all these functions. Getchar gets a single character. Putchar puts that single character onto the screen. Getch gets the character but it will not echo that onto the screen. Echo in the sense display. Getche, it also gets the character. E indicates it is going to echo that, display that onto the screen. GetS gets a sequence of characters, that is getting a string. PutS puts a sequence of characters, that is putting a string onto the console. So let us get into the example programs on all these input output functions, unformatted IO functions. For those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos. So let us take a new file. So let us include all the header files. #include stdio.h, #include conio.h. So let us have a character variable. So character type. Let me have the variable name as ch. Let me call the clear screen function CLRSER. So let me have a message, a prompt message to input a character. So I'll say printf within double quotes, enter a character. Then I say the function ch equal to, let me call the function getchar. So whatever the getchar function is going to get, it will be stored into the variable ch. Then I'll say putchar of the value that what I have stored in ch. So let me save this file. So unformatted function first program .c. You can just have any file name. Alt F9 to compile, Control F9 to execute. So it is prompting a message to enter a character. Let me enter a character. I'm going to enter say Y. Press the enter key now. Well, we have not used getch function in this program. So it is not holding the output screen. So we have to manually get into the output screen using the functional key Alt with F5. See, the character is Y. You can also have the valid message. So you can also put this character using the printf function also. So let me type printf, some valid message, character, inputted character, some valid message, input character, inputted character is, so format specifier for character %C. You can have a new line here. Then I say ch, close the bracket, semicolon, save the content, Alt F9. So before you compile, you have to save your content. Alt F9, Control F9. Input a character, I say J. Press enter key. It is not holding the output screen because we have not used getch. Press Y to save the content. Go to the output screen, press Alt with F5. See, inputted character is J. See, you can see the J character is printed twice. One with putchar, the other one with printf. Using format specifier %C we have printed. You can also comment this if you don't want. So let me comment this. Save this. Alt F9. Control F9. Say I'll just press A. Press Y. Alt F5 to the output screen. See, inputted character is A. If you want to hold the output screen, if you want to be on the output screen, you can use getch here. Getch. Save the content. Alt F9. Control F9. Enter the character. Say V. I'm pressing the enter key now. We will stay on the output screen and we'll get the output there itself. See, inputted character is V. So this is what with getchar and putchar. So let us see how the getch and getche function is going to work. So what we'll do, we say ch equal to getch. So get a character and store it in ch and print that using printf. So let me save this. Alt F9, Control F9, enter a character. So I'm going to enter the character, say Y. See, I've entered the character Y, but it is not echoed. But through the printf statement, I've got the output. Get back to the program. Let me change this to getche. Save the content. Alt F9, Control F9. Enter the character. I am entering the character Y. See, it has been echoed and I've got the output through printf. So let us see how to accept a sequence of characters using getch and how to display that sequence of characters using putchar. So let us have a character array now. So I'll just say character, the array name, I'm taking it as name itself. Let me give the dimension as 20. CLR SCR. Let me have a message. Printf. Say enter your name. Let me get that using getch. Get a sequence of character that is string into the array name. Say name. You can have some other variable name also. So I'm just having name itself. Let me have a message. Say printf name. See, whatever we display in double quotes, it will be displayed as it is. Name. Format specifier. You can just print this using the printf also, and we will see how to print that using putchar also. First we will see with printf. Printf percentage yes is the format specifier. Then I'll say name. Close the bracket. Have the getch to hold the output screen. Save the file. Alt F9, Control F9. Enter your name. Say Yashoda. The name is Yashoda. This is how the printf has printed. Let me comment this and let me use getch. Sorry, get s has accepted the character. We need to put the character, so we need to use putchar. Putchar name. Save the content. Compile and execute. See, this is how you can use getch and putchar. So that's all for today's video. The next coming video, we will see few more programs, few more concepts. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.